Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showcasing some makeup bag essentials from Holland and Barrett, all of which are cruelty free. I've decided to go for a simple, natural yet beautiful look, so let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to be taking the Sukin Rose Hydrating Mist Spray just to give my face some added moisture before I apply my base. This stuff smells absolutely amazing. So for my base, I'm going to be taking this Beautiful Me Mineral Foundation in the shade Maple Dew, and I'll be using this powder brush and dabbing it like this all over just to make sure I get it in all the creases. And for fuller coverage under my eyes, I'm going to be taking this complexion sponge and conceal any blemishes and dark circles. So next, I'm going to be applying this Lolo pressed bronzer in the shade Miami Beach using this So Eco bronzer brush. These bristles are absolutely amazing and it goes on so smoothly. So once I've got my bronzer on, I'm going to get my So Eco blush brush and apply Lolo blush to my cheeks, sitting just above my bronzer. These two tones complement each other so nicely and give a real warm glow to my cheeks. So once my base is set, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. I'm applying the Lolo pressed eyeshadow in the shade I Should Cocoa, using a large So Eco eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take it above my crease since I'm only using the one tone to complement my natural look. Once that's on there, I'll take the Lolo mascara in black to my lashes. This is great for sensitive eyes and it lengthens, thickens and volumizes lashes. So there we have it, a natural yet beautiful look using only clean and conscious beauty products. And once I finish looking glam for the day, I'll use this game-changing makeup remover which uses water only to get it all off and start again tomorrow. Make sure you check out our videos on our other channels. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.